Hi, to turn on and off notifications and reminders on your Amazfit T-Rex free, as a first step, take your phone and open this Zepp app. And of course, make sure that your watch is connected to this app, and in that case, you should see it right here with its battery level. So now in this device tab, scroll a bit down to find section notifications and reminders. Simply pick it, and here you can turn on or off notifications such as app notifications, incoming calls, incoming SMS, stand reminders, and achievements. So if you want to turn everything on, then let's do it step by step. Firstly, I'm gonna go in this first tab, tap here and allow access notifications. Find this app in the list and tap on this switcher to enable permissions. Now let's go back and tap here to actually allow notifications for this app. And now you can also customize it. For example, select from which apps you want to receive notifications. So if you enable some of them, just tap on the switchers like this. And after that, you should see that the switchers are green and notifications are enabled. Now go back, tap incoming calls, and here you can receive incoming calls alerts. So let me just enable it right here. And we can do the same for stand reminders and for achievements, and as well as for incoming messages. To disable everything, just open each section and tap on the switcher like that to disable notifications to see status not enabled. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.